So, in the previous video, we talked about physics as a whole subject. But today, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. In this video, we're going to learn about just how vast physics really is. On a broad level, we can actually divide physics into two main parts. One is classical physics, and the other one is modern physics. There are a lot of subfields in classical physics. For example, there's mechanics, where we deal with the motion of objects, the forces applied to them, and their effects. We also talk about properties like speed, velocity, and other physical quantities, such as mass, density, and so on. Then, there's thermodynamics. This is the study of what happens when temperature, volume, and pressure change in a physical system, especially on a microscopic level, and how energy is transferred as heat. Next up is electromagnetism. In electrostatics, we look at the behavior of single charges and distributed charges, and in magnetism, we discuss how magnets behave in different situations. But in electromagnetism, we talk about the relationship between electricity and magnetism. There's also optics, where we explore how light behaves when it passes through or falls on any medium. And finally, acoustics. Here, we discuss the production, properties, and behavior of sound waves, along with their classification. Alongside classical mechanics, modern physics is honestly just as vast and super interesting. The main branches are, well, relativity. This is one of the biggest breakthroughs in the world of physics. It explains the relationship between space and time. It's actually the theory that tells us time isn't absolute everywhere in the universe. Plus, relativity itself has two branches, the general theory of relativity and the special theory of relativity. Then, there's quantum mechanics, which is all about studying matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. We also have atomic and nuclear physics. In atomic physics, we study the structure and behavior of the whole atom, but in nuclear physics, we focus on the nucleus of the atom and its radioactivity. And finally, particle physics. This branch is where we study the fundamental particles and how they make up matter, and basically, the entire universe. A few interdisciplinary branches are astrophysics, biophysics, condensed matter physics, geophysics, plasma physics, chemical physics, and so on. So, this is it for today's video. If you found it helpful and informative, let me know in the comments and, tell me what should be the topic of my next video. And hey, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Astra for more videos like this.